Imagine you're in a foreign country, feeling under the weather. You need medication, but the language barrier and unfamiliar pharmacies make it daunting. What if there was a pharmacy you could trust, no matter where you were? Have you ever heard of VIPS? It's not just a catchy name, it's a seal of approval that signifies quality and safety in pharmacies worldwide. Let's dive into what VIPS Pharmacy is and why it matters. VIPS, short for Verified Internet Pharmacy Practice Site, is a certification program established by the National Association of Boards of Pharmacy, NABP, in the United States. It's designed to ensure that online pharmacies adhere to strict standards of practice and safety. Why is VIPS important? Safety. VIPS certified pharmacies are committed to providing safe and effective medications. They undergo rigorous audits to ensure they comply with pharmacy laws and regulations. Legality. When you purchase medications from a VIPS pharmacy, you can be confident that you are dealing with a legitimate business. They are authorized to dispense prescription drugs. Quality. VIPS pharmacies source their medications from reputable suppliers, ensuring that you receive high-quality products. Privacy. Your personal information is protected when you shop at a VIPS pharmacy. They adhere to strict privacy standards to safeguard your data. How to identify a VIPS pharmacy? VIPS seal. Look for the official VIPS seal on the pharmacy's website. This is a clear indication of their certification. NABP verification. You can verify a pharmacy's VIPS status by visiting the NABP website and searching for their name. Benefits of using a VIPS pharmacy. Convenience. Shopping for medications online can be convenient, especially if you have a busy schedule or live in a remote area. Affordability. VIPS pharmacies often offer competitive prices on prescription drugs. Discreet shipping. Your medications will be shipped discreetly to your doorstep. Access to rare or specialty medications. VIPS pharmacies may have access to medications that are difficult to find locally. Common misconceptions about VIPS pharmacies. They are only for prescription medications. While VIPS pharmacies primarily focus on prescription drugs, some may also offer over-the-counter medications or health supplements. They are not safe. This is a misconception. VIPS pharmacies are held to high standards of safety and quality. They are only for U.S. residents. VIPS certified pharmacies can serve customers from all over the world. When it comes to buying medications online, safety and reliability should be your top priorities. VIPS pharmacies offer a trusted and secure way to obtain prescription drugs. By choosing a VIPS certified pharmacy, you can have peace of mind knowing that you're getting quality medications from a reputable source. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.